Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another powerful and amazing ingredient that you can use on your hair if you have various scalp and hair problems. Now the first ingredient we are going to start with is rosemary. If you've been watching my videos, you guys know that I like using rosemary in most of my videos. I do not like to skip this herb whenever I'm making hair growth spray and also whenever I'm making hair growth oil. Rosemary is a powerful herb that can help you to get rid of all the hair problems that you have. If you experience excessive hair loss, you have hair thinning, you have bald spot, rosemary is really amazing. You need to start including it to your hair care routine in order to experience its benefit. Another powerful ingredient I'm going to be adding is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are amazing. I do not like to skip them anytime I'm making hair growth sprays. Even when I'm doing off the camera, I do not like to skip them. I make sure I include them in my hair growth teas and I use it to spray on my scalp and hair. And guys, my hair is growing long and thick. Before I started hair growth journey, my hair was thinning. I had some bad spots, but right now my hair has started growing beautifully. So if you experience those problems, you have scalp issues, you have dandruff, flaky scalp, and you want to increase hair thickness naturally and to grow your hair strong, then start using fenugreek seeds and you will be amazed with the result. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab myself a glass jar and I'm going to transfer the ingredients in there, starting off with fenugreek seeds. I'm gonna add just 2 tablespoons. Use any amount that you want. I'm also going to be adding rosemary and I will add the same 2 tablespoons. After adding everything to the jar, now I'm going to go ahead and add water. I'm just going to use hot water. You guys know that I like to use hot water every time I'm infusing my ingredients. If you use cold water, the ingredients are not going to infuse faster unless you're going to leave them for longer. So that's why I like using hot water so that the infusion process can go faster. Right now, as you can see, I'm giving it a little bit of stir, and after that I'm gonna cover everything and I'll leave it to infuse for 24 hours. So guys, this is after 24 hours of infusion. As you can see, the color of treatment changed and the ingredients settled at the bottom of the jar, especially the fenugreek seeds, which means that the infusion process took place well. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain out the liquid because that's what we are interested in. And I'm gonna be using a strainer. Just use anything that you have to strain out. I hope you guys are still watching this video and you are enjoying it. And if so, please go ahead and give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you'll always be notified each time I upload a hair growth video. So this is how the hair growth treatment looks. You can see how amazing it's looking. The color is looking great. I just love the color. So guys, this treatment is really powerful as you can tell by the look. Just make this treatment. Do not ignore it. Make it apply on your scalp and hair and I guarantee you in 2 weeks you will thank me later. So right now I'm going to transfer to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and apply on my hair. I always like to apply any treatment when my hair is sectioned. Before I do the application, I make sure that each section is not twisted. The reason why I keep my hair in twist is because my hair shrinks a lot, and if I keep it like that, it's going to shrink and there will be a lot of tangles. So to avoid that, I make sure that my hair is twisted. Even whenever I'm doing wash day, I make sure that my hair is twisted. That way I'm able to detangle each section at a time and I do not experience unnecessary breakage. So I went ahead and applied the spray. I started from the scalp, then I moved towards the ends and saturated each single strand. And after that, I'm applying my hair butter in order to seal in moisture. This step is very important. I do not like to skip it every time after I apply hair growth spray. So always follow up with your favorite moisturizer or hair butter in order to make sure that your hair is not drying out after the application. If I use hair butter, my hair stays moisturized for more than 3 days. But if I use a leave-in conditioner, then I have to follow up with a oil of my choice in order to lock moisture. So always follow up with this step after you apply a leave-in spray. So this spray is very beneficial for our hair and scalp. Make sure to apply on your scalp and pay more attention to your problem areas. Massage that area with your fingers for like 5 minutes and repeat this process for 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair condition. This treatment is very beneficial for increasing hair thickness and stopping excessive hair loss and improving hair density. So if you suffer from those problems, then you need to include this spray to your hair care routine. I always recommend to use hair growth sprays as leave-in. Do not rinse them out after the application if you want them to work effectively and if you're looking for something to grow your hair and to change the general health of your hair. So using this spray as a leave-in and applying it 2 to 3 times a week on your scalp and hair will bring a significant change within a short period of time. So follow this step I have shared. Make sure to follow them and do not skip any and you will be happy with the result. So we're coming to the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next.